guys.
Where are we going?
We're going to my mansion.
In Boracay.
We're going to my mansion in Boracay.
Oh, what
Welcome to
about?
my mansion, guys. Oh my God.
We're not there yet. Ay, shy type? Shy type? Wow, views.
No more Christmas.
It's Heyyyyyy today.
Those cuties. Look at them. Damn. Yo, what's up, gang? Boracay.
It's nighttime now, so I can't really show you views.
Oh, look how pretty and sunny it is.
Wow,
Well, do you know what? At least it's not raining.
yeah, true.
It probably is in
My
England
hair
right
is
now.
already so humid. Oh, thanks for blocking the view.
Who, me? I am.
I am the view.
I am the view.
7-Eleven. Oh, to see over there. But yeah, we're just looking somewhere to eat, and then oh my god, my hair looks for somewhere to eat. I don't know where we're gonna eat, but yeah.
It's one of the few times that I wake up a lot earlier than Carla because last night I fell asleep really fast. Here we are, back up, top floor with the crew. With the crew. Hi. Hey everyone, what we got?
Just welcome to Boracay Island. Oh, that's where we went last week. Yay.
Hi,
Hi. Hi, Tali. Island hopping time. Woo. It's so hot today. Gosh. But we had to swim in the beach. Yay, and now we're
I'm on
gonna
a
go.
boat. I'm on a boat.
At least we're by ourselves. And then we'll probably have lunch there. Whoa.
Whoa.
What the heck?
Wrong one.
Oh well, I'll leave it.
It'll be in here somewhere. Oh, it's broken. This one.
It's fine.
Hi guys. Sorry, didn't mean to film there, but you know, we're trying to take pictures, so please leave us alone.
On to the next island. This was Puka Beach, by the way. This is where we had food. mountains. You can't even see from here. But we are now in Crystal Cave. You do have to pay to go in though. But I CBA for that. I'm happy just chilling on a beach, to be honest.
The skin.
Vinegar or after?
It's up to you.
After this.
We did both or first the water.
Oh, I see.
Okay, one,
Cheers.
cheers.
It's quite nice actually. Good eggy. Where's the salt?
Hey. So, make it. It's mine.
Is this the top? No, it's the top down under there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm waiting for you just.
Is this the hard bit?
Yeah, now try it. It's like an egg yolk. It's like egg yolk.
Take it out.
Eat all of it
No,
now.
you don't
Eat
eat
all
that.
of it.
That's
All of it.
out there.
Don't look.
Hi.
Hey, what's up, gang?
Just a little update. It's our last day in Bacolod.
Barakay.
Boracay. But we are on our way to dinner. Did I film the inside of that cafe? The cafe
I don't
was
think
so
so.
nice. Oh, I should have filmed it. But yeah, we're on our way to Station 2 to have some dinner. Last night here.
Gang.
I haven't been vlogging much because I haven't been. No, but also I haven't been feeling very well. So just taking it easy. But yeah, I'll update you when we get there. But I had like one of the best cocktails I've had in a while. It was like an ube pina colada, so yum. But I don't really feel hungry, I can't lie. Anyway,
Anyway, let's go get some food.
catch you in a jiffy. Bye.
Sa lapit lang. 40, di mo lang sinamon 1,000. Wala ba kang piyaw? Wala sa iyo pagabot pa. Sa sunod kita.
Everyone in the one in front, us in the one in the back.
Ginawa mo.
Hi guys, we're on our way home. And we are on a bed on the boat.
Maximum security prison. Sunburn. My thing's sticking to the leather chair as well. Horrible.
Look at that.
Hey, what's up, gang? How are you today? We're going to some thermal hot springs. Isn't that right, Tally? Yeah. We're gonna go for a swim. And yeah, first things first, we just gotta get a coffee. It's a nice hot day. Hopefully we won't get burnt today. My nose is a bit peeling, but I've been moisturising a little bit, so keeping that skin alive and taut. Yeah, let's have a good day and we'll keep you updated.
Apologies, I was so shy vlogging. I know what it is. I just have like no energy. I'm so
Somewhere they
tired,
can get
like,
coffee,
every day.
Carla.
And when we were in Morocco, I wasn't feeling well, so yeah. But I'm trying to get better. I still have like a week left here in the Philippines, so I'll pick up on it. Pick up things. I'll get my shit together. Did you like my photo? We are now in Mambuka.
Yeah.
Hi guys. Oh, hello. We just finished in the spa. So now we're going to the pool so that my niece can actually enjoy it because it's too hot for her. But here's what the pool's looking like. Nice. Hi guys. We are now on the way to Don Salvador. I've been wanting to go there, but it's basically like a cafe on top of the mountain, so you can like you overlook the scenery. Like I'll show you guys later. It's really pretty. So yeah, all done with the springs and stuff. Hi guys! We have reached the spot where we're going to eat lunch. Look at you! Smile! I'm gonna try and climb up this thing.
Smile. Picture. Look.
Smile! Smile! Gosh. Oh, that's broken, bruv. Damn.
What's going on there? Where is it? No, that's okay. Hey gang, just in a mountain, drinking some, I don't know, shake.
Guyabano shit.
Guyabano.
Just waiting for food. Gazpacho. Waterfalls. Falls is right there. It's tiny. Hi guys. Currently walking in the rain because weather is so shit today. But we are supposed to be going on quad bike. But I don't know if that's gonna happen at this point. We've been walking for ages.
Yeah, very
Raining.
skeptical about the situation right now, but
Yeah, because the van couldn't go up the path because it's like a rough road. As you can see, it's all mud. It's like never ending. Fuck. Same size lang na sila tanan. Okay. We're about to go. Good morning guys, it is currently 12:30 I'd say, and it is the 9th of January. So me and Jessie, well, I just almost forget my boyfriend's name. Me and Jessie are getting ready, or we're about to head out to have some lunch. I'm probably gonna go to SM Mall, and then we're gonna get Laos gift or something. I don't know what we're gonna find because it's his birthday today, and then probably head to our family house for the evening.
I like it. Hi guys, so we only have a few people on the bus today. I think it's a 12-seater bus, and there's currently 20 of us on here.
Oh my god, your hat just popped
Sorry.
my eye.
Oh,
Let's put that way, yeah.
On the way to family outing.
It's
The whole family. Well, not even all of us.
Pati ka ma?
Bilang van gani ka?
Hindi naman mapot na, hindi ka mamagbayad.
It's cool. Where's the kayak though? No, minute the picture. Ready, ready.
1, 2, 3,
This is officially our last day in the Philippines. We go home tomorrow. So sad. We decided to go to the falls today for our one last day, and then we leave early tomorrow. Whoa! Stairs and a hand.
Careful, baby.
Oh my gosh. This is so pretty. Ah! That's crazy. Ah. Can you see me? We're on the third waterfall now. We're in the second one for a bit, but I think this one we're gonna like try and go swimming. Something was in my neck, yay! But yeah, my shoes are wet. It's so hard to go down these stairs. I wore the wrong shoes, bruv. Wearing my fucking Crocs. Whoa, this is crazy. Oh my god, look how blue it is.